Okay, I'm going to try and show you how to do this with just like a random image I found online. So click upload, upload image, browse. I just picked this picture of Stitch. I don't know, I like Stitch. And then I'm going to go ahead and erase out the background. So then I just have this Stitch image. Continue. And then save it as a cut image. So on yours, you've done it as a print and then cut. So go ahead and re-upload your girl with the text and then clear it out so it says save as a cut image. And then you can click save. All right, so I'm going to insert that into my design space. All right, so I've got Stitch here. And I'm just going to take a square. Okay. I'm going to make the square wider than Stitch is. Click select all and then slice. So now I've got all of these layers. So I'm just going to click on the outside of the square, move it away, and I'm going to delete that because I don't need it. And then when I pull this image off, this I could cut for your clear 651 vinyl that you're going to be trying to use. Now that I'm doing this, I'm realizing you could just upload your girl in the text as a cut image and clean it up so then it's a cut instead of the print and cut. That might work too. I'm hoping this works for you and makes sense. And then if I, needed a bunch of stitches, because I was doing 50 tumblers or whatever, I would just, duplicate it until it's done. And there might be an easier way to duplicate 50 times. Someone probably knows. I hope this helps you. This is how I would do it. Good luck on making your tumblers.